set it through this smart switch. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल लिव लाइफ फन स्टाइल। तो आज मैं आया हूँ और एक वीडियो के साथ। गाइस, जल्दी से लाइक, कमेंट एंड शेयर कर दीजिए मेरे इस वीडियो को। और आज का ये जो प्रोडक्ट है ये है वाइजर ओडेस लाइटिंग। या नाम कुछ अजीब लग रहा है ना, बट दिस इज समथिंग लाइक in our lockdown period we are quite stressed. Okay, so let's have something fun with the light. This is the LED light. As you see, there is a bulb and there is a socket. This is a switch. Okay, so how you manipulate the light? No more regular light. Based on your mood, based on your stress, based on your activity, you change the light with that. तो चलो start करते हैं इसका unboxing. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं इसका अनबॉक्सिंग। सो आई गॉट ए चांस टू रिव्यू दिस प्रोडक्ट। यू सी, दिस इज ए नाइट लाइट. इट हैज मल्टीपल कलर्स, सो इट इज बेस्ड ऑन योर मूड यू कैन चेंज द कलर्स. इट इज ब्लूटूथ एनेबल्ड एंड इट कनेक्ट्स टू योर फोन. और इसमें ये स्विच पैनल दिया गया है, ये स्विच है, ये बल्ब है. तो ये स्विच में 4 बटन हैं जिसके थ्रू आप कंट्रोल करेंगे. ये बॉक्स पैकिंग बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग. इसमें आप देख सकते हैं जो मल्टीपल कलर का ऑप्शन दिया गया है, सॉफ्ट, वार्म और कूल. 3 टाइप्स ऑफ ऑप्शंस आर देयर एंड यू कैन चेंज द कलर ब्राइटनेस भी आप चेंज कर सकते हैं इसमें. और ये जो है ब्लूटूथ टेक्नोलॉजी से काम करता है. इसका 2 इयर्स का वारंटी है फ्रॉम स्नाइडर इलेक्ट्रिक. ये जो बल्ब है इसका सॉकेट के लिए हमें एक एडाप्टर चाहिए because this is a different adapter. It doesn't suit to Indian bulb points, so we need to buy a separate adapter for this one. This is hardly 60 to 100 rupees. तो इसका जो price and the buy link I'll show in the description. Actual product cost जो है ये यहाँ पे mention किया है 7,499. So we got it for a lesser price. बॉक्स के अंदर और कुछ मैनुअल नहीं है. सो वी हैव द गाइडेंस ओवर हियर. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे उसका सारे डिटेल्स दिए गए हैं कि कैसे काम करता है. दिस इज अ काइंड ऑफ जर्मन और स्पेनिश, इट्स अ फ्रेंच आई थिंक. सो दिस आर ऑन ऑफ एंड दिस इज फॉर योर फेवरेट वाइट और कलर टॉगल. दिस इज द स्विच फॉर कलर टॉगलिंग एंड दिस इज फॉर लाइट डिमिंग द brightness of the light. So it will control here. This is for so this button is for white shades or color changes and this is for light dimming. If you want soft light, warm light or cool light, then you can change using this button. And this is the color variations. You see there are 16 million colors combination over this. हाँ, ये देख सकते हैं, ये है वो switch. Wow, very soft. You can hear the button click sound. Okay. अच्छा, तो इसमें दिया गया है 3M के 4 स्टिकर्स. सो यू हैव टू रिमूव एंड अटैच टू योर डोर और टू योर वॉल वेर एवर यू फाइंड इट कंफर्टेबल टू ऑपरेट. एंड देर इज अ ब्रांडिंग ओवर हियर, इट सेज स्नाइडर इलेक्ट्रिक. ओके, वेरी नाइस स्मूथ फिनिशिंग और बहुत ही लाइट वेट भी है, बहुत सही है. ओह, हियर इज द मैनुअल. यू सी इज द मैनुअल. यू सी, नंबर 1 द बल्ब, switch, plug, attachments, how you have to operate, then some other things. It is written mostly in French and English, so I have to read it. That's how it works. Okay, and there is a Bluetooth range also, so you can operate through smartphone. This is really good. This part is heavy and you see it is written mesh color with Vox branding and very nice compared to other. I have used MI light and other lights which gives a different colors, but this is quite good. This is very impressive. So we have to connect our adapter with this. It will, once we connect, it will be seen like this. very nice white color. Okay, and once it is connected, we can operate this one using Bluetooth, and we can operate through our mobile also. So you can remove this also because there are some points where you can attach it. So let's see how it works. So put the bulb. You see, I have connected the bulb on the top. So we have to pair this bulb with this switch. What is mentioned is you have to remove the switch from this board, then you have to pull it out. You have to connect number 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, so 2-3 corner switches. You have to pair it. Then once paired, all these lights surrounding it will glow, and there will be handshake. Okay, let's try it. So now I have pulled it out. So now let's press this button, 2 buttons. Okay, and you see the light started glowing. Okay, yeah. So now after pressing this, you see the light is blinking 2 times. Okay, this light give a blink for 2 times. And now I think the pairing is done with this particular switch. I'll operate this light with this switch. This is on, off, on. Now let's increase the brightness. Wow, wow. Yes, 1 time press, it is increasing. 2 time press. Okay, this light is high. Okay, medium, cool. Okay, change the light colors. So, okay. This is nice. I like it. Red, orange, blue. So guys, you see, I am operating with this switch to change the colors, and this is for the brightness. Wow. And this is for getting back to white, and this is off. Wow. So this small device, you can operate. You can connect to your wall, or you can keep it near to your bed. So whatever mood you want. See, now during lockdown, now you are feeling very much stress. So just to change your mood, you can have this light with different colors, and just it's a fun actually, just to relax your mind and to go for, like, you are doing some meditation, yoga, exercise, fun, music, dance, party, whatever there inside your home, you can change the light based on the mood of the party poppers. So guys, don't forget to like, comment and share to my channel, and if you are new, then definitely subscribe to my channel. I will be keep posting more videos, so all your likes and comments are helping us to improve our blogs and to add new things in our life. So keep enjoying. Bye bye.